Hi guys, I'm Shmee. Hello, good afternoon, and welcome back to the channel where you join me surprisingly in London on a day where it isn't actually raining. Anyway, we're out with the Suzuki Jimny, and very shortly I'm going to be joined by TGE with his brand new Ferrari 488 Pista. Now, you might already have seen the new car. It's in a pretty out there spec. Satin blue with yellow stripes, yellow headlights, and in his words, a rather aggressive number plate as well. Well, he's going to be getting here. We're going to be checking out his car, going out for a ride together in it, but this is what he doesn't know. I intend to troll him a little bit today. You might know some of the trolling he's done of me in the past. Well, we're going to jump into his car, which, if you think about the colours, are rather IKEA spec. It's the IKEA edition 488 Pista, and we're going to go for some Swedish meatballs at IKEA. It's about a 10-mile drive, half an hour or so, but I'm waiting for him to get here. I'm a little bit early, so let me just show you some goodies I've got for the Jimny before he gets here. We see his new car, check it out, and then troll him a bit and go over to IKEA. It's actually quite funny that I've come out in the Jimny. TGE also has a Jimny, and I'm trolling myself a little bit by driving this car, but it's the one I'm using to get around London at the moment. I picked it up, went straight away for my Where's Shmee Euro tour, so it's only done about 200 miles so far, but I did order, when it was new, a few accessories for the car. You can get some extra bits and pieces. It comes kind of as one spec, the SZ5 Jimny, but in the boot back here, I have got two things that I have ordered. One, floor mats. You don't get standard floor mats, so I've got those fitted. You got to choose, obviously, if it was the manual or auto, and I hope I've ordered the right ones. And then I've also got a spare wheel cover to go on the back, although I've got to get that straight because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I need to get those fitted, put them on the car right now while I'm hovering here for him. I think he's about 15 minutes away or so before he comes, and then we'll have the slight contrast of the Jimny next to a Pista, an IKEA spec Pista, and I find this quite funny. I hope you guys do as well. I'm not sure what Tom's going to think of it, but we'll find out later on. For now though, let me pop those onto the car. Seriously, that was far too much of a workout, but it is more or less straight. That will do for the time being. Let me get these floor mats in, and hopefully Tom is getting closer. Boom, those fit nice and easily. Mission success. Oh no, I haven't done the driver's seat one. Let me come round. Just gotta get that, finish off the whole set of these. God, this color in the sunshine is bright. So in here, careful with my sunglasses. Let's pop this down. I'm not quite sure how this works. It's got a clip or something that goes in there, roughly. Oh gosh, okay. Ah yes, I see. It clips onto this. I'll need to use my hands for that. But then we will be done. It's a bit windy, but I've heard them coming. The IKEA edition 488 Pista, joined by a couple of others as well. But look at this. Look at TGE's new car, mate. Hello. Congratulations. This is nuts.
Thank you very much. It's pretty mad, isn't it?
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's absolutely crazy. And we're also joined by JE and Tom's Carrera T as well. But look at this thing. Okay, your word. I know you've used it. Aggressive.
Aggressive. It is. We've seen it here. We'll get on to that.
Man.
I don't know what I've done.
Well, what you've done is bought a car that stands out like freaking crazy.
It causes mayhem.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
You've just been driving it through town.
Yep.
And absolutely. Everybody just doesn't know what's going on.
It causes as much of a fuss as the SV does.
Yeah?
Just saying something.
Really?
Yeah.
Because
everyone's on it. Camera phones, everything. It's carnage.
Yeah, I mean, they see the headlights. The headlights. Did you do the headlights?
I did that. Well, not personally. I lacked the.
But I mean, you chose to.
Skill. Yeah. I made it though.
What? Just what, man? Just I don't even know.
Lost for words for once.
A little bit, yeah, a little bit. See you later, guys. That thing is loud. Okay then, they're off, which means it is time for this. Tom, take us around the car. Tell us about the spec.
Here we go then. So the paint is Blu Elettrico Opaco, so it's basically a satin version of Blu Elettrico. It's a triple layered paint.
Opaco is literally the Italian word for satin,
You probably pronounced it properly.
I don't know which way it is.
Well,
Opaco, Opaco,
I'm sure someone will be letting us know in the comments.
Something like that.
So yeah, it's satin paint. It's got satin PPF over the top of it to make sure it's protected. It's a really expensive paint. This livery here is painted on. This is not a sticker. So that is...
that's under the PPF.
Giallo something.
Yep, something like that.
Yeah.
Yellow with the black stripe.
Nero.
Lots and lots of carbon.
So every gloss part on this car is pretty much carbon, and everything was ticked.
Does it miss any carbon fibre option?
No, it doesn't as far as I know, but I'm sure someone is shouting at me in the comments right now telling me that it is, but even the engine bay, literally everything. That's
the big thing, the Pista. I mean, with Ferrari in general, big glass window, epic view of the engine.
It's incredible. And I know the Spider's amazing, but the Spider, you lose all of that.
You do.
That's
You
like
really
a work
do.
of art. That's the 488 Challenge engine.
And the cleaner lines. 3.9 twin turbo V8.
Yep.
How much horsepower?
711.
Yeah, 711 brake, 720 PS. I'll give you
There we
that.
go.
I'll give you that.
I know my stuff.
Wow,
sort of.
nice, nicely done.
Don't ask me the torque.
770 Newton
There we go.
meters.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, something like that.
0 to 60.
Oh, I don't know that.
2.85 seconds.
2.85.
I have not proved that, but yeah.
More carbon, more
Yeah.
carbon.
Loads of
Wheels, satin black wheels, black calipers.
black calipers. I'm a big fan of black calipers. I always go for those.
They go well. Around the front. More carbon around the S duct. More carbon around here. More carbon, more carbon. Don't ever prang the front of that because that wouldn't be cheap.
I'm not planning on it, but thanks for the advice.
Be careful.
Feature as well. This bonnet is obviously, the whole thing is carbon.
Carbon.
And you can see the weave underneath it.
Yeah, you don't want to bang that either.
No, you don't. You just want to leave it all completely alone. And yellow PPF on the headlights, which we touched
So
on.
this is. I mean, it's completely one-off for sure.
Yeah, there isn't another
there
one
is
in the world.
no-
Blu Elettrico ones, but I know satin Blu Elettrico ones.
Satin Blu Elettrico, and then with the yellow and with the black stripe. Because when the car is spec'd right, you can do lots of different combinations.
Yep.
For the stripes, you can have the dual tone. You could have just one contrast color. You
Yep.
could have the central stripe matching the outside. You can basically do a whole lot of stuff.
What I really like is that actually matches the yellow of the rear number plate. Which is a bit of a weird thing to say, but it actually looks like the stripe continues.
Okay.
The number plate.
Yeah, I
It's
see
made
that.
the number plate a feature.
I get that. And can we talk about the interior?
Inside
can you
is
show
when
us the
people
inside?
start to get divided.
Questioning your
everyone likes
sanity.
the outside to an extent. Inside, it starts to get a bit chaotic.
It's strong.
This, I think, annoys people the most.
Yeah, the yellow bits on the steering wheel. So the seats I love with
Yeah.
the stripe as well, matching with the outside, the different materials. The seats are really cool, and I think I actually quite like the backboard as well. I like a bright interior and the sensible dashboard. Having the
Here we go.
dashboard navy is not overkill.
That's
More
one of
carbon,
my favourite bits.
like in the carbon floors.
Carbon under there. Yeah, the dashboard's cool because
It doesn't reflect or
it doesn't reflect. In my Aston with the stripe on the dashboard, that's all you see when you're driving along.
Yeah. But the steering wheel, like you say, with those very bold yellow bits right where your hands go.
I don't know how yellow that's going to be for how long.
Yeah.
Same as the seat.
Good luck to you, because I'm sure it's not cheap to,
Oh, retrim, it's fine.
yeah,
I'm sure it's absolutely fine. Just
hopefully never needed. But yeah, this is very, very.
cells.
I don't think you've got enough carbon.
Door
I think you
skins
should-
as well?
Do you know what you should do? You should
Yes.
you should get the whole body remade with blue carbon.
Yeah, I mean, what that'd be? About
Why-
80 quid?
80 quid, yeah, something like that. And your number plate. TGE, we're not going to go into that.
So, no, that means in Chinese, that means fortune and
Does it?
success and,
Fu
and sort of luck, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And it also means rich, it depends. Okay.
Let's get in the car.
Yeah,
Let's go for this little drive. Let me just make sure that my little Jimny is locked up. Somewhere I've got the key. There we go. That's locked. See that very shortly. Climb in here. Let's hear it starting up, if you don't mind.
Yeah, we can do that. Hopefully it starts.
Oh, you should. You just drove here.
One little sort of nuance here. That door skin is different to this door skin. You have a handle on your side and I have a loop on my side. Presumably when you're,
Is that always in a
when you're
Pista?
driving around, I don't know whether I got a sort of a special one, but I got a loop and you got a door handle.
Honestly, hadn't noticed that before. That's
There we
totally
go.
new to me, and I like the yellow here on the door pocket, the useless door pocket, because it's absolutely tiny, but
It's better than the SV. Right, should we just start
that's
up?
really cool. Yeah, go for it. Hit that button. Right, so
go.
this is a bit of a trade up from Jimny to Pista. Have you taken a picture of the Pista with your Jimny yet?
We will do.
Will do.
We'll come back if it's still there, because
Wait, I'm twisted seatbelt. What's going on here? There we go.
it's yellow. You
All
can't
right.
miss it.
So, you don't know where we're going.
I'm a little bit concerned.
Well, where we're going to go is this way.
Okay.
And I'll guide you. I'll show you. It's
I'm
a
a
short
little
little
bit
drive, about 9 miles I think from here.
okay.
Where we're heading.
That's more mileage than the car's going to get all year.
See you later, Jimny Cricket. Right,
Maybe put a steering lock on that thing.
I haven't done. It's like we're in Regent's Park, central London. It should be all safe and good.
I'm just going to wave bye to it anyway. Someone will have that.
I'm afraid to say that people aren't really that interested at the
Is
moment.
this turning into a public reaction video?
Not really intentionally, but nobody's really on it. I'm afraid. No camera phones.
They're just excited about getting to the zero things.
Yeah, we are London Zoo, just that way. Lots of people crossing the road.
They don't really care, do they?
No.
There we go, he's filming.
Yeah,
Did you get him?
yeah. Camera came out.
Excellent.
Hopefully, we'll get a break in the people crossing.
There you go. We're off. We got a Jimny over there.
Way previous gen.
They're good. I'll just get one just to troll everyone.
What, change from the 4th gen to the 3rd gen. So in our mystery journey, we're heading to the end and going left.
I genuinely at this point have no idea what you're doing or where I'm
No,
going.
you'll find out very shortly. It will make sense. Give it about like probably 25 minutes from now, and all will be clear.
Okay, we shall see how this goes.
The bells. There are so many people going around on electric scooters and buggies. And
I've got one. I love it. Yeah. I just go to the shopping all the time.
Oh, that sounds nice. You gotta love a Ferrari downshift.
Oh, it's so good. It's miles apart from the SV.
And stop start.
So how do I turn this off?
Ah,
Is there a way?
there's a button right here. And now
I
it'll stay
knew
on.
you would know. I actually knew you'd know that.
And the magic is, when you now get back in the car, it remembers your previous setting. So that will stay off.
Thank you very much.
No more stop start.
And I've learned something today for once.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Good stuff.
We're about halfway, not too far to go now.
Excellent.
Tom has just announced that he knows where we're going.
I think the penny's dropped.
The penny's
Or
dropped?
it's dropping.
Or it's dropping. Where are we going, Tom?
I might be extraordinarily misguided, but I think the colour scheme on this car has got something to do with where we're going.
It might do. It might do.
You've been reading my comments. That's why this has come about. Oh, for God's sake.
So you worked it out.
I actually need to go there, to be fair.
We're like a mile or two away and you worked it out.
I know where we are. Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
I thought it's either going to have something to do with crisps.
We can get some crisps. We can get some crisps.
I'm on board with the idea now.
Or meatballs. What do you prefer?
Perfect. It is. I got it. Great. Good.
That's so funny. That's so funny. You worked it out when we're sitting in a traffic jam about 1 or 2 miles away.
Absolutely. There we go. That must be right at home over there. Excellent. Perfect.
Amazing. The arches of Wembley Football Stadium as we come around the back, and you haven't even done 100 miles on this thing.
No, we're at 96.6 miles.
So within the first 100 miles is going into an IKEA car park.
That's got to be a world first.
That has to be.
Surely.
Pista early visit to IKEA, which is there, by the way. The blue and yellow.
Perfect. Absolutely
It
perfect.
matches spot on. That blue is literally like, and it's kind of a satin blue building as well.
I'd love to say that's exactly what I was going for. I'm not sure.
The IKEA spec. I wonder if like the staff are going to come out and be like,
They should clap me in or something, surely. That should be like getting a free wardrobe or something. That works.
well, where would we fit it? Yeah, we might have a problem.
Strap it to the roof.
Maybe we can like buy something small and put it behind. Here we go. Right. I think we go turn left at the next roundabout, and we'll be arriving. Speed bumps, but it's not too bad in this, is it?
It's
and
okay.
You've got a lift system as well if you need it.
We've got lift, but the nose is quite short, so it's actually it's not too bad.
Hey, we could do a McDonald's drive-through as well. Hit two birds with one stone.
Two fantastic videos in one day.
That would be cliche to the max.
Internet completed.
Here
Right,
we
we're going
go.
left in here?
Yeah, we're going left in here. It's happening. The IKEA Edition 488 Pista is here arriving at IKEA. I'm sorry for making you do this.
It's alright, it's a bit of abuse. I dish out enough of it online.
Yeah, well, here we are.
Take some own medicine.
I think we're going to go right round, find the front, get a nice picture of the car at the front door. Yeah, you definitely need the lift for this one. This bump is horrendous.
You speak from experience.
Well. Yeah, I've
How many times have you been here in a supercar?
A couple. It's
Just a few
definitely
times.
happened. It's definitely happened through the years. This was the IKEA where I came with the FF and had a wardrobe hanging out the back of it. That was good fun.
This is quite nostalgic, actually. I feel like I'm entering a piece of YouTube history. This is great. Son Maranello.
Yeah, go around this way. We'll go around for a loop through the car park, come back to the front door.
You know what you're doing. You know the lap.
Yeah, done this before. Yep, down this way.
You've got a lap record
Billy
around there.
bookcase in a Pista.
Perfect.
And here we are then.
Tell me where. You're the expert here. Tell me where we
We
park.
could literally stop anywhere, to be honest. Get a cheesy photo going on.
Oh yeah, it didn't
Get the
happen.
video thumb now.
Very important.
Has to be done. Has to be done.
I'm going to put over the speed up a little bit.
I'll give you one thing.
Yes.
Blu Elettrico Opaco is definitely a touch darker than IKEA Blue.
There we go.
It's a slightly different spec. The yellow's pretty similar.
I need to get it resprayed then, clearly.
Yeah, you need to get it resprayed slightly different to match in with the building. If anything.
This is trolling.
How do you feel being trolled?
Good.
Yeah?
Actually, yeah,
Wasn't too bad.
surprisingly
It was
so.
a gentle trolling.
I thought it was going to be a little bit worse, and I thought, knowing you, it's not going to be too abusive.
No, we play it fairly safe here. We play it fairly safe. Sounds good. What a car. So funny that we brought it here. Those headlights as well though. Watch the speed bump. Oh, no problem. Plenty of ground clearance. We've just taken a few pics. This has been quite fun with this car here at IKEA, but it's time to head on, so we'll hop back in. We're gonna head back towards where my Jimny is, the centre of London. I'm sorry for doing this to you, Tom.
I've actually had quite a fun day, to be fair.
We've been meeting a few people as well who've been wondering why on earth this car is here.
We've done a little meet and greet at IKEA.
We have kind of had a mini unintentional meet and greet. Someone even came down from having their meatballs upstairs to say hello, but the shop is now closed. Well, I think we can head back.
All right.
Head back into town, the whole couple of miles.
Perfect.
What a visit.
What a visit.
It happened. The IKEA edition Pista has been to IKEA, and I've said that so many times. I'm sorry everybody watching that I've just bored you to absolute days with my chat, my useless chat.
I don't know if they're still here at this point.
Well, there are cameras getting photographed.
There you go. Hello.
Yeah, we will head on then and head back towards the centre of town. Poser. That's literally what that number plate said. Poser. That's not what we're doing at all.
No, not at all. We don't do anything like that. Ooh, 1M. Very nice indeed.
Ah, absolutely. Don't see too many of those about. So we are back now actually in Regent's Park, which means we're heading back past the zoo. So IKEA around the zoo in the same day? We missed McDonald's.
That's a separate video.
That's a separate video.
We could have done 3 videos in one day.
The McDonald's run coming next, the drive-through with the IKEA edition Pista, followed by a visit to the London Zoo.
Ooh,
that's a bit of you as well, isn't it?
I like that. I'm getting into my old stuff.
You are indeed, you are indeed. Not so much into Teslas. Targa. Anyway, what else is going on? Nice cars everywhere around town, but we're going to be heading back, and I'm going to be saying farewell to the passenger seat of the Pista, swapping it for the Jimny.
We hope it's still there.
We hope it's still there. Lucky me, hey?
Yeah, lucky you indeed.
Look at that baller.
986
Unicycle.
Boxster. Oh right, unicycle. Oh yeah, that's even better.
You thought I was talking about the Boxster.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, I like getting close.
Yeah, they're alright, But no, I was definitely on the unicycle man. So somewhere up here, around to the corner, we're hoping there's a Jimny. Now that Jimny's still there. He's calling.
There's hope.
Yeah, there's definitely hope.
They're not going to nick that one, they can nick a brand new one around the corner.
Yeah, definitely. And we got some sunshine. After having like gloom and kind of cloudy and a little bit miserable at IKEA, now it's sunny. It is quite chill when you drive this car in town, isn't it? Just relax.
It's really subdued. You don't know that you're in a kind of a lightweight special, really, which I quite enjoy, but I wasn't expecting.
Hey, we've got an almost friend, off-roader, bright orange, FJ Cruiser.
I was going to say, what is that? Your car knowledge here, I don't know what that is.
A car that you don't really see very many of, and in fact it's got a foreign import number plate. It's actually an import car, which is hilarious. You ever seen a Toyota FJ Cruiser?
Never.
Well, you don't have them here. They're really popular. Oh, look. Down there.
What is going on here?
Well, do you know what I'm looking at?
Chaos. I'm going to park up here, but yeah. Carrera T's over there.
It's like
My Carrera T. We're not even going to go into why that's just driving around here and someone else is in it. More on that another time.
Anyway, we're back. My Jimny's here. Life is good. It's definitely looking a little bit colourful here. The Jimny with the FJ Cruiser, and I was gonna say that you see these pretty much everywhere in Dubai, like literally everywhere.
Shall I buy one of these?
Jimny replacement.
It's a logical upgrade.
Jimny replacement. Yeah, it's actually quite funny seeing the two side by side, and it's even got the rearwards opening back doors.
I like that. My i3S has got that.
Oh, it does. It does indeed. It does indeed.
There we go.
So that is actually probably rarer in London. Sorry to say this, than a Pista.
Oh, okay. What's this?
Good question.
Is that for caravans or?
No, it's just so you can see like where the front is, right? So that when you're off-roading, you can see where trees and things are and rocks that you're going over, and maybe someone else out there can correct us if that is wrong.
Is that even a mirror?
It is a mirror.
Oh, it's got 2 little lamps on there.
Extra mirrors.
But
anyway,
I want one. It's great.
Anyway, that's a random extra.
Sorry.
We today have been enjoying the Pista, and it's been a long time coming that we would do a little collab together.
Absolutely, and you've trolled me good, to be fair. That was a good one. I did enjoy that.
It was a bit of fun. It had to be done. The minute you first showed me that you were getting this, a short while ago, before you picked it up, I was literally in my head was like, we're going to be doing a video with this going to IKEA.
It was top comment on my collection video.
Oh, was it actually?
Like something about IKEA, yeah. So I thought you'd been in my comments.
Oh, no. I've been thinking about it since before the commenters even knew that this was coming.
Perfect.
It had to be done. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I apologise for the gentle trolling.
No, don't apologise at all. It was good to be here. It was fine.
And I'll pop Tom's links down below as well if you want to go check out his channel. But I think for now, that is it. Thank you very much for watching, as always. Cheers.